Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we studied about the form validations. Right, we studied number of form validations, and today we are going to discuss about the password validation using HTML and the script. Okay, I mean password with the confirm password as they are matching or not matching. We are going to see that. Just open the VS Code, and already we had seen about the some validations here, and among that. Already we know about on input every time the input changes, and that will trigger the this method the show password, and that will be we are writing inside the script tag by using the id. We are going to fetch the data from the html to the script level, and that will be stored, and inner text used it to write the text, or inner html both will be same, but some variations will be there. We discuss that in our later class, but as of now, if you're clear with the yesterday's class, we are going to password validations. Okay, let's keep password validation dot html and create the boilerplate. Okay, then take one h tag h1 tag and make it as password validation, and if you go for take the form, okay, and inside that take the label tag which is for the password. Okay, let's make it as password, and let's take the input tag and type is equals to password, as the name does not need it. And what is the id? Your id is password. And what is the other things is there? Yeah, the other thing is on input, right? On input, every time we are going to call some method, that is a function. Okay, and we are into two. Okay, I mean on input will every time it will trigger the input changes, and that will call the check password function, and we are writing the code for the function in the script level. Okay, yeah. Next, what is the next thing? Label for confirm password. Okay, label for confirm password, and also make the id of confirm password as the password. It was calling the same method, and password type is password. Yeah. Okay, next, what is the thing? I mean, if you want to fetch that, already we fetched the data from the both password and confirm password. I want to say that it's matched or not matched, right? For that I was taking the span tag. From the previous class we've taken the paragraph, now I was taking the span tag which is same. Okay, next, span, and how we can access like message. Okay, after that it has been completed successfully, and just write the script, and I want to access the password to the script level. How we are doing that? Document dot get element by id. What is id we had given here? We have given password. Just copy it and paste it. Okay, and I want to read the value, right? Then we have to use the dot value, and then store that. Let password like pass. Okay, in the same way we need to access the confirm password, right? Confirm password, and get the based on the id. What is the id we had given here? id is equals to confirm password. Just paste it. I want to read that particular value what the user has been entering, so that I was using the dot value, user reading data. Okay, next, let message, okay, is equals to document dot get element by id. What is that? I want to get the id of that is message, right? After that it's completed, but this should be written inside the function, right? When the function everything is changing, I mean what the user data is changing, it should be triggered based on the on input event, and it will be calling the check password, right? So we have to write the code in the function. What is the function name? check password. Okay, then paste this code, and after that it's initial condition. We are writing in the code in what? We are writing the code in password, right? Password input, and then we are writing in the confirm password. So if password or triple equals to, it's a strict comparison in JS, and confirm password equals to nothing. If these two are not written anything, they are empty. Okay, I will say that regarding while we going with the output. And if they are nothing, I mean, we are user not entered any password still, we need to set that message dot inner HTML or inner text, both will be used to same purpose, and it should be the nothing, and we have to return to the back, I mean out of this if condition. Next, what is the next condition? If entered password triple equals to confirm password. Okay, as a password is matched, then what we have to do, message dot inner HTML equals to password. We need to write a message like password matched. It's a good practice of semicolon, and then we need to call the function. I mean, we need to call this. I want to make sure that if the password is matched, I want to say that password matched in a green color, right? For that sake, I was using the internal CSS. After the head tag, I was taking the style, and then I was creating the class. Dot represents the class, and whereas slash will represent, hash will represent the ID, which is ID for the unique, and class will be for the duplicates will be allowed. Already we seen that, and I was naming as success. Okay, and what is the color? If the password is matched, I want to set the color green. I want to maintain the font weight as bold. In the same way, I was taking another class as error, and what is the color for that? I want to maintain the red, and font weight is equals to bold. Okay, and this is the style I want to set. So if the password is matched, that means it has to give the what? It has to give us a green color, right? Message dot class name equals to, what is the class name we want to target? Success, right? We need to set the class name. What is the class name? Success. Okay, or else if the password and confirm password condition is not matched, then we have to set message dot inner HTML equals to password not matched. And what is the color we want to set for this? We want to set message dot class name equals to error. I mean, we are calling the particular class which is a success, right? And if the password does not match, I was calling the class as error. Okay, that will affect the particular message tag what we have taken here. Okay, I mean, we are creating the class inside of this message, and we are calling based on the condition for that by applying the styles of CSS. Okay, and if I go for open with live server, yeah, if I entered some password, it was saying that password matched. If I enter something, it was saying that password not matched. Okay, if I enter the password like ABCD, and if I enter ABCD, it was matched. If I enter one more, not matched. Okay, before that, I want to explain this condition. And if the password is empty, here password is empty and confirm password is also empty, then we are not showing anything. I mean, we are not showing any text, right? That is matched or not matched. Okay, if I remove this, what if I write something like ABCD initial condition, what it's becoming now? password and confirm password is equal. So it was, if I not entering the data, even though that it was saying like password matched. Okay, initial, we are writing for the initial edge case that password is nothing is there and confirm password nothing is there. The message should be nothing. There should not be any message. But if you're not writing this at the early stage, the password is nothing and confirm password is empty, the both were empty, they are treating like they are matched and they are giving the success. But it should not be happen. It's an initial edge case, so we are writing the this code. Okay, if you are entering anything, it will come out of the loop and it will look for this condition, and if the enter password is correct, then it will print that in a success, and if that is fails, and it will print in the red color as we are writing the style and we are calling this happening. Okay, if you have any doubts, just comment me below. Okay, if you go for inspect and script, okay, if I entered ABCD, what is happened? Let's see here. Here class success has been created. I mean, if the password and confirm password is matching, right? If the password and confirm password is matching, the success class will be created with the success, and the success is affecting based on the code you are writing, right? If that not matched, I mean, here the class name is changed to the error. Okay, that we have to look. Okay, password not matched, we are saying that password not matched. If the password is matched, we are saying that password is matched. Okay, that's all about it. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.